So now students, I had given you one homework in your previous video ABA, CBA, DCBA, EDCBA. Now, how we will make this pattern. So first you will draw the same format that we are using for this is your inner loop. Here we have to print system dot out dot print system dot out dot print ln. This loop will be closed here. Now just see E, D, C, B, A. So the values are different. The values are different in a single horizontal line. So what is going to print here? J. And when the J is printed, then in which loop we are going? Your inner loop. And in inner loop also we are going our first condition, that is one updation. So E, D, C, B, A. So values are increasing order or decreasing. I think it is in a decreasing because E, D, C, B, A. So here it should be J minus minus. It should be here J minus minus. After that, if they are minus minus, then it should be J is less than or equals to. If it is a plus plus, J is greater than or equals to. Now, the value, the first value, that is the relation we also have to put. We also have to put the relation between your outer loop variable and the inner loop variable, and that relation will only be happen at the initialization or at the condition. Okay, and we are having both the places. Okay, so the last value, just see, last value is A. For every line it is A, so the last value will be A here. Clear? Now the place where the relation is left is initialization. And we are having the first value different. When the first value is different, your relation, that is your I variable will come at the initialization. If your initialization, your first value is different for each and every line. For every line you can see your first value is different. C, A, then here B, here C, here D, here E. So every line is different with the first value. So here I will come. Clear? Now what is the value of the how to this one insert our values for the outer loop? So A, B, C, D, E. So your loop start with the A. So initialization is A. So char I equals to A. Why I use the char? Because it is a character type, and you don't forget to put this one bracket, single bracket. If your single, now A, after A it is B, after B it is C, after C D. So values are increasing, so it should be I plus plus, and when the plus plus is there, then I is less than or equals to till E. So this is your pattern for this question. This is your answer for this question. Clear? Now today we are going to discuss our some space questions. When we are having some space also at the starting. There we are using the three loops. And remember, there also we need the relation between the outer loop and the loop that we are using for the space. Okay? So let's take one example, simple example. 1, 2, 3. Some difficult. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see, suppose this is your computer screen. Now here it does not start with this point. If it is starting with this point, then there is no problem. We can easily do, and we are already done. Okay, but here it is not started with like this. It is started here. First they had put the space, and 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. Then they had put the 1. Okay, then they had put the 1. Okay, so 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, then they had put the 1. Correct? Now 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, then 1 2 here, 2 space after 1 2 3, 1 space, that is 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. So first we have to show about the space, that is I am just marking the space with the underscore sign. So 1 2 3 4 space, 3 space, 2 space, 1 space, and here your 0 space. So your space pattern will also be follow 4 3 2 1. Okay, so we have to follow this our space also. So just start for your second loop will be your K loop. Okay, we are going to take the space loop with the variable K, okay, and make it empty right now. इसको अभी हम लोग empty रखते हैं, बिल्कुल छोड़ देते हैं खाली. Then our again same our loop will be there, J loop. You just now ignore this loop, your J loop, your K loop. System out of print. Okay. Then your system out of print ln. Are you able to see the last? I think not able to visible here, not visible now. So now 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Correct? Now how we will do? First, just ignore this our case and assume that it should be like this only, without a space. Assume it like it does not have any space. So j equals to 1 because it started with a 1. Now I am not explaining again. And j is less than or equals to I. Here your j plus plus. Your I loop will be int I equals to 1. So the last value is 1 2 3 4 5. And I is equals to 5 I plus plus. Okay. Now your K loop will be there. So here your space is 4. Your space is here 2. Your space here 1. Here 2. Here 1. And here your 0 space are there. So how to put our space? And remember, we also have the relation system out of print space is there here. Okay, we have printed space. Now remember, there is a one, and there should be a relation between your outer loop and your space loop variable. That is your I and K. Here your I value is 1, and how many space we have to print? 4. That means this loop will have to execute 4 times. So 4 times, there is a 2 ways to execute 4 times. Either it will go 1 to 4 or 4 to 1. It depends on you. So if you are starting with a variable with a point 1, अगर आप 1 से शुरू कर रहे हैं, that means your I to 4 or 4 to I, because your 1 is having the I variable. Who is holding the 1? That is your I. So either you start with the I to 4 or 4 to I. So if I use the 4 to I, so it should be 4 here. And 4 is greater than or equals to your I and K minus minus. Now this loop will going to execute your pattern like this. Okay. So this is the one pattern based question. Just understand this, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, take care.